Is public relations, right? Public relations, we need public relations for all the events. So even a family needs public relations. You have family members, you have to remember their birthdays, wish them on their birthdays, give them some presents, go for a picnic with your family members. That is also public relations. In school also we must have public relations. Management must have a good public relations with the staff. Sometimes they give us, they hold functions for us, teacher felicitation ceremonies, Children's Day, they collect money, give food to children. That is also public relations. We have to keep parents meetings. That is also public relations. Public relations, every organization needs public relations. It doesn't belong to external state public relations. State public relations has two things, internal public relations and external state public relations. The Sri Lankan state is an intangible thing. However, usually we call government as the state, usually, common language. So Sri Lankan government has to keep internal public relations with the people. That is internal public relations. Sri Lankan state has public relations with India. That is internal or external.
External.
That is external public relations. Now read these 5 answers and give me the correct answer. What doesn't belong to external state public relations? Second one.
President to India.
China appoints a new ambassador to Sri Lanka. That is correct. External public relations. External state public relations. President's visit to India. External state public relations. Attending the United Nations conference. That is also external state public relations. Island-wide program to encourage new inventors. That is internal. Number 2, grant a loan from IMF. What is meaning of IMF? Somebody tell me.
International
Monetary Fund. Right? They give loans to Sri Lanka. Nowadays, the human communication process begins. Give me the answer quickly.
Second one, sir.
From the day man began to live on earth, correct. Human communication is as old as human society, correct. Communication is related to daily life, correct. Communication is the foundation of personal and social relationships, correct. Good communication reduces many personal and social problems, correct. Communication studies is limited to the school curriculum. Wrong. You learn communication studies in universities also. Right? That is the false one. Most suitable answer. What is it? Humans are able to share information about more complex ideas and concepts. In Aristotle, Socrates, Plato, those people, and Martin Wickramasinghe from Sri Lanka, those people didn't have internet at that time. No mobile phones. Humans are able to share information about more complex ideas and concepts through creation of language. These people who lived in the Stone Age, we call them primitive people, used signs and symbols. They didn't have a language. So they could express only simple ideas. But this man has language, right? Now we can discuss complex ideas. So the most suitable answer is to the creation of language. Communication helps to maintain human relationships. Who told that?
Sir Wilbur.
Wilbur. We'll go to the definitions first. Harold D. Laswell says, a convenient way to describe an act of communication is the answer to the following questions. Who says what, in which channel, to whom, with what effect. Shannon and Weaver, 2 persons. A message created or selected from one point, communicated in the same and similar manner to another point, is identified as communication. Wilbur, an information-centered message that creates the same level of psychological state between 2 individuals is identified as communication. Charles Cooley, the mechanism through which human relations exist and develop. That's the answer. Charles Horton Cooley. Communication helps maintain human relationships. Charles Cooley, a public relations tool that works with one-way communication, providing incentives. That means something like bonus. Our company gives bonus to the staff because we are staying at home. School gives us bonus. That is also public relations. Public relations with management and the staff. Counseling. Counseling is two-way, right? In the school, we have a counseling center, so students can go there. I hope we also can go there, but they don't allow us. We must also have that facility. Everyone must have counseling facilities. So children go there and talk to them. That is two-way. Funding. Funding means providing money or something for a business or something else. Granting promotions. Giving
ඒක තමයි sir.
promotion. Yes. Distribution of leaflets. Giving promotions.
ඒක තමයි sir one way.
Public relations. Why? Providing incentive is also same, no? Giving bonus, giving incentives, giving
The fifth
promotions.
one.
I think the fifth one. Distribution of leaflets. You don't read
ඒක
that
one
leaflet.
way වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ sir. Distribution.
Yes, this funding, we know that. Now, if you are in the director board of Saira College, you can do the funding, giving money to maintain the school. That is two way because management and the director board, they know each other. Providing incentives or bonus, management and the staff, they know each other. Granting promotions, management and the staff, they know each other. But distribution of leaflets, we don't know those people on the road. Nowadays it is prohibited, I think, distributing leaflets. Usually they have to, I think they have to distribute 1,000 leaflets per day at least. Then they are given 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees. Right? So they have to, sometimes they send spies also. Spy, Ottukaaryo, to check whether they are distributing those leaflets correctly. So they stay in the sun, away innawa, and they distribute those leaflets. So I don't know those people, but when I am passing them, I tell them to give me a leaflet also. I put it in a garbage bin. I don't read it. I don't know that person, but I know what they are doing. They are doing a job. So I help their job. Sometimes on that Maharagama area, I walk from Maharagama area to Kottawa area, then I collect one leaflet. Again, I walk from Kottawa area to Maharagama area, again I collect another leaflet from the same person. So I help those people like that. Nowadays we can't do it because of this corona problem. I don't know those people, but I help them to do their job earlier and go home. So that's the answer, number 5. We don't know that person who distributes leaflets. Question number 44. Give the answer. Read it carefully. Read the question carefully.
So what is bipartition?
Bipartisan means two-way. Two-way. What is least likely to happen when communicating through mass media? Using professional communicators.
The fourth one.
The third
Okay,
one.
we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Using professional communicators. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Abdullah, I think your device has a problem. Others can hear me clearly, no? Umesh,
Yes, sir,
can you
can
hear
hear.
me clearly?
Yes, sir. Can you?
Abdullah, please check your device and your data connection. Okay. Using professional communicators is correct. Mass media. Right? The use of technology is correct. Mass media. Bipartisan means two-way. That is not correct. When the announcer is there, usually we don't call them. There are some programs where we call, but that is not relevant. That is the answer. Number 4, spreading messages commonly. That is correct. Sirasa News at 7 p.m. So Humaid, Abdullah, Rafshan, all these people watch Sirasa News at 7. Not any other thing on Sirasa. Message is common. Hierarchical organization pattern. Hierarchy. Media owner, media manager, program manager, producers, editors, news readers, news writers, tea maker, right? Hierarchical order. Number 45, give me the answer.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one, ancient printing, China. Modern printing,
Yes, sir.
Germany. 46. This metaphorical means, okay, that thing you don't need. Answer number 2, non-verbal communication. It is meant to give each house a different color at the sports meet. That is non-verbal communication, right?
Common, sir.
Non-verbal means that by looking at that color, I think Baghdad color is blue, right? By looking at that color, we can identify, this is Baghdad.
Sir, verbal කියන්නේ කතා කරන එකනේ sir.
Oh, non-verbal can kata naha.
Non-verbal.
හරි සරි හරි.
47. Give the
The third
answer.
one belongs to the performance elements.
Yeah, correct. Costumes, lighting, music, makeup, etc. on a stage drama belongs to performance elements. 48. Quickly give the answer.
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth one. There was a sudden news story about the curfew in television, but Kamal didn't hear it well because of a technical issue of the
Sir,
television.
fifth one.
The situation Kamal facing here is, yes, fifth one, correct. The media is distorted by the noise, right? Not the gatekeeping process. Abdallah, can you hear me now? Abdallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. I have discussed these things, but I discuss them again and again, so all of you can understand this very well.
Sir, Kamal,
Gatekeep-
sir,
Yeah.
Kamal ටවුන් නැත්නම් TV ගේ issue ඉඳනේ sir. එතකොට media නේ sir influence. Noise එක නෙමෙයිනේ sir.
Influence mean that Panadol example, when you go to the pharmacy or the grocery, when you have a headache or fever, you go and tell, give me Panadol. There are some other brands also for fever and headache. There is Flagyl, there is Paracetamol, there is Paracetamol SPC tablets, there is Vendol MGC. A lot of paracetamol brands are there. But when you go to the pharmacy, you tell, give me Panadol. That is media influence, right? Because every day Most of the time, radio, television, newspaper, everywhere we hear and see Panadol, 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 right? That is media influence. Here, you have to remember noise. Noise means disturbance. Kamal didn't hear it well because of the technical issue of the television. Technical issue means sometimes speaker, sometimes antenna, sometimes signal, right? Technical issue means mechanical noise, right? Mechanical noise. When it is raining, we can't watch dialogue television. What noise is that? Right?
Mechanical noise.
Mechanical noise plus environmental noise, right? Mechanical noise plus environmental noise. When you watch a Chinese television channel, you don't understand that. What noise is that? Somebody tell me.
Sir?
You don't understand Chinese teledramas. What noise is that? That is also noise. What noise?
Sound, language noise.
Semantic noise. We have taught this. That is
Semantic
semantic noise. The language you don't understand, that is semantic noise. Since you have forgot that, I will explain it. Okay, without going to the note, I will explain. There are two kinds of noise, mechanical noise and semantic noise. Abdullah, what are the two kinds of noise?
Mechanical noise and semantic noise.
Semantic noise. Mechanical noise means mechanical problems. Rain is also mechanical problem, right? So you can't watch dialogue TV because of rain. That is mechanical problem. Semantic noise means you can't understand the language. If I speak Hindi, you may not understand that. Semantic noise. We learned these two things, huh? Gatekeeping. What is gatekeeping process? Abdullah.
Edit of the television.
Yeah. Abdullah is a news reporter. Abdullah sees an incident. Humaid goes to the grocery and he steals a packet of biscuit. Then the owner of the boutique arrests Humaid and he calls the police and tell them to arrest him. Right? Then that is a news. That is a news. Then Abdullah sees this thing. Abdullah write down that thing on a paper or on his book. He write down that thing. He works for Sunday Observer newspaper. He goes to that area, the printing, the Sunday Observer press, and hand over it to the editor. Sometimes before going there, Abdullah think this is a very small incident. Stealing a packet of biscuit. That's a very small incident. Why should I why should I publish Humaid's name on the newspaper? Then Abdullah throws away that news. He doesn't hand over it to the editor. That is gatekeeping process. Abdullah, did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then think that Abdullah handed over it to the editor. Editor says, don't publish very small incidents like this. There are ministers and other MPs who steal our money, billions of money. So if they do that mistake, those things, why should we publish these small incidents? Editor throws away the news. That is also gatekeeping process. Sometimes editor may say, Don't write that who made that this person did this thing. Write down a person from who made where from Maradona. Just an example, okay?
Play
Example.
violin.
Who made from huh? Okay, just an example. Who made from Maradana area stole this packet of biscuit. Don't write that. Don't write who made. Write down a person from Maradana area. Editor edits this thing. That is called gatekeeping process. So imagine that owner of the newspaper, editor is one person, owner is another person. Owner of the newspaper is who made. Who made has a lot of money. Who made steals as a hobby. Right? He's the owner of the newspaper. That Abdallah doesn't know that. Editor knows that. Editor says, I say this is our owner of the newspaper. Don't publish this thing. Or owner may be a friend of who made. Right? Owner may say, editor, don't publish this news. If you have printed it already, destroy that, remove that part, that paper. Right? Page number 15 of the newspaper, remove that thing. Right? That is called gatekeeping process. So each and everyone who works for the media are gatekeepers. The media is under control. That doesn't
Sir, getting stuck, sir.
that doesn't suit here. Not necessarily. Media amplification. We learned hub model. I will explain that. Amplification. Now you have two kinds of universities in Sri Lanka. State universities and private universities. Everyone mute your mic. Shahad, are you there?
Yes, sir. It's getting stuck, sir.
Getting. Umaid, can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me
But
clearly?
lagging, sir. Yes, sir.
Lagging. I don't know what's happening. However, what I am telling is clear for
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay. This amplification. Amplification means highlighting a special news in every media. Nowadays, that penny incident, Kagalle penny, ne? Kagalle person says, I found a cure for corona. Everyone come and buy that. Earlier he said that is 25,000, one bottle. Now he says, okay, I will give it free of charge. I think more than 10,000 people went there to Kagal area to get that pannier free of charge. Right? Now every news channel, Sirasa TV, Derana, Hiru FM, Lankadeepa newspaper, all of them may show this thing. Photographs, videos, and they tell you, here these people, they don't keep social distance, right? They, what do you say, they stick together. They may spread coronavirus throughout the country, right? This is going to be the third wave of corona in Sri Lanka because they don't keep social distance. That's the main reason, right? So nowadays media always speak about that incident, penny incident. That is called media amplification, giving priority to one news. Who made understood? Who made? Akil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood what I told you now? Media amplification?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the answer should be number 5. Now give me the answer for 49.
Fourth
Sir,
one.
fourth one.
The emergence of popular culture is the result of mass media, right? Popular culture is created by mass media. We got to know Shah Rukh Khan by mass media. Cinema is a mass media. Television is a mass media. We got to know Bhati and Santosh, those two persons, through mass media. So they belong to popular culture. Popular culture is created by mass media. What is created with popular culture? Mass media creates popular culture. Popular culture creates consumerism. Consumerism means a consumer society, right? People have a lot of wants. Need is one thing, want is another thing. You may have learned this if you have done commerce for O-levels, business studies, right? Food is a need or want. Akil,
Need.
food is a need. String hoppers, bread, rice, fruits, those are wants, right? Need is limited, wants are unlimited. Now, people want a lot of things. Pizza, French fries, all those things, right? Therefore, that is called consumerism. Consumerism means people or the public need a lot of things, want a lot of things instead of needs. We need only 4 things: food, clothes, medicine, shelter. Those are the main 4 needs. But people want a lot of things. That is called consumerism. Consumerism is created with popular culture. Sangakkara and Mahela belong to popular culture. They drink Coca-Cola on advertisements. People also want Coca-Cola. Right? Bhati and Santosh, they belong to popular culture. They act in dialogue advertisements, sometimes Hutch advertisements. People also want dialogue scenes or Hutch scenes. That is called consumerism. In traditional media, expression is more efficient. What is expression? Give me the answer.
So anything done by expressing
Yeah, find the answer from this.
reactions.
Answer number?
So first one.
The receiver's thoughts. Yes, what we think, we express. Express, yes. That's the thing. Question number 51.
Sir, there's no charge in my phone, sir.
Okay, join tomorrow. Charge it properly and join tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Only 0% is there. It's going to cancel, sir.
You can use it while charging also. Okay. Others, give me answer for question number 51. Rakshan, you don't talk.
So second one.
Rakshan, what is the main creative challenge of radio? Identification of subscribers. Using language to capture the mind of the subscriber. Correct. Training of artist on pronunciation as per the requirement of the program.
The second one, sir.
Yes, second one is correct. Classification of radio programs by various sectors. Exploring the use of sound and silence in situational representation. Yeah, I will discuss this thing. Second one is correct. You have to identify what kind of a subscriber you have if you are a radio presenter. You have to use the language to capture the mind of the subscriber. That is the main thing. You have to train the artist on pronunciation as per the requirements of the programs. Classify the radio programs, news programs, radio dramas, radio discussions, advertisements. Classify that. Explore the use of sound and silence. Sometimes you have to use silence also, especially in radio dramas. Question number 52, give the answer quickly. Some people are just... Yes,
advertising.
correct. Right?
Program.
Motivation means attracting. I have told this about 100 times, but some people still don't understand that. In media subject, motivation means attracting the receivers. Teledramas want to attract receivers, news programs and song lyrics want to attract receivers, entertainment programs want to attract receivers, but more than that, advertisements want to attract receivers. Question number 53. Yeah, try to find the answer. Language, they have mentioned their name. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා කෙෂල් කියලා. ඒ වගේ කොරියන් ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකෙනුත් ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒකේ නම දාලා තියෙනවා. ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් දාලා තියෙනවා long yellow things කියලා. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. In the world, there are people who don't know this language, English language properly. So I'm telling all of you, you have to know the technical words of media, any subject. You have to know the meaning of the technical words and when to use it. You have to learn these things. Distortion means changing. Recovery means recovery. The basic thing, right? Here recovery means the basic thing. Culture is the changing of the basic things. Culture means the distortion of this recovery. The correct word should be reality, right? Culture means the distortion of reality, right? Reality, change the reality. Okay, culture distorts people's minds. Culture is how naturalism is changed. That is the answer. Answer number 2. Culture is the distortion of reality means culture is how naturalism is changed. Animals live the natural way. People don't live the natural way. They change that. That is culture. Animals don't have culture. Humans have culture. Now we are learning about this thing. There are different aspects of media criticism. Media criticism means you don't accept thing at once, right? You can watch their news. They are partial to Rajapaksas. You can watch Sirasa news. They are partial to sometimes Premadasas. So, if you watch both of those news, sometimes you can find the truth. What is the truth? Right? So you have to watch both of them and analyze those things. Right? That is media criticism. You know how to turn on the TV. You know how to use the remote. That is media literacy. You know how to read the newspaper. You know how to tune the radio. That is media literacy. Media criticism is another thing. There are different aspects in media criticism. Media and daily life. Right? Media criticism is connected with media and daily life. Media and various ideologies. Marxist criticism, feminist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism, various ideologies. Similarities and dissimilarities of media and messages. There are similarities in media messages. There are messages and hero messages. There are dissimilarities in some media messages. There are news and serious news. Power of media message. Media economy. There's a thing called media economy. Media and technology. Media and culture. Now let's discuss media and various ideologies. Marxist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism. Okay. Aman, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir, can hear.
Akil, Humaid, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Can hear, sir. Can hear.
Rafshan, are you there? Pulvik wage innawa Rafshan? Abdallah, try login again. You leave the meeting and click the link again. Abdallah? Okay. Etc. belong to these ideologies. It means that media criticism is guided by various ideologies. Media criticism can be further fostered by the influence of various types of ideologies. We have to give priority to Marxist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism, and feminist criticism. The main idea behind Marxist criticism lies as a factor that a necessity of the capitalist society and the privileged power structure is the media production and strengthening of the same. That means you know about this Karl Marx. You learned that in political science. Karl Marx says media belongs to capitalist society, capitalists, right? Rich people. So these rich people, this capitalist class, they use media to control poor class, poor people. You better write down these things on your revision book, right? I sent it a long time ago. අර මම එකපාරට messages ගොඩක් කිව්වේ අන්න ඒක තමයි මම මේ කියවන්නේ දැන්. Aman, did you write? Therefore, they use media to do that. That means to develop and continue the capitalist society, the privileged or powerful people in the capitalist society need to produce media messages. As such, media art is also regarded as a productive measure that should address the audience. Media art is regarded a productive measure that should be distributed among the audience and reflect their necessity. The economic and cultural foundation aimed in building up media creation Then the purpose is laid as analyzing those factors. In this manner, according to this criticism, the inequality of the social structure is found on the wealth and power structures and the media dominance bestowed on that structure. There is a media dominance. That means some media control this country, right? People who voted the Rajapaksa government they were controlled by Deran and Hiru media. People who voted Premadasa, they were controlled by Sirasa media. There are some other media also. Those three are the most powerful media in Sri Lanka. Right? There's a dominance. They control these things, the society and the people's mind. Then the purpose is laid and right. In this manner, according to this criticism, the inequality of the social structure is found on wealth, right? There's an inequality in the social structure. Poor class get poor day by day, especially of this corona problem. Rich class get rich day by day. That is social inequality. There's some problem here. Karl Marx says there is some problem here. So that inequality happens because of the wealth, because of the money, wealth and power. This kind of critical thinking becomes essential to the modern receivers in an audience. So we have to look at media messages or media programs according to Marxist criticism. We can criticize media messages and media channels using Marxist criticism. Psychoanalytic criticism. Psychoanalytic criticism emphasizes media content through psychological perspectives. Psychoanalysts believe that the use of media is highly responsible for changing children into intolerant behavior, and we need to take this situation very seriously. You may remember that what Professor Wilbur Schramm said. You may remember what the University of Pennsylvania say about this, right? They believe that advertisements process addresses the hidden thoughts of one's mind. All of the humans, according to psychologists, all of the humans are bad. All of them want to be bad, right? All of the humans want to behave bad. Because doing bad thing is easy. Doing good thing is not easy. Killing a mosquito, easy. But saving a life is difficult. So people select the easier one more than the difficult one. But however, some people behave nicely because they are afraid of sometimes they are afraid of the religion. Sometimes they are afraid of the law, rules and regulations. Otherwise, if religion and rules weren't there, people will behave bad. So these advertisements talk to people's hidden thoughts. Hidden thoughts are very bad. That's why we are hiding them. We hide our thoughts because they are bad. These advertisements talk to our hidden thoughts. In one yogurt advertisement, the brother, he steals that yogurt from his sister. In one biscuit advertisement also same. Stealing. Advertisements talk to people's hidden thoughts. People want to steal, everyone, but we don't do it because we are afraid of the religion and we are afraid of the law. But everyone has a hidden thought of acquiring everyone's wealth, right? So the psychoanalysis say that these advertisements talk to your hidden thoughts. That's how advertisements motivate or attract us to buy their products. Through this concept, the hidden thoughts of the use of science-based media messages would be further inquired. For an example, if you take Siddhalepa advertisements, they pronounce the word Siddhalepa at least 4 times during the advertisements. They do that to plant their brand name inside the receiver's mind. Majority of the advertisements use this method. When we learn psychoanalytic criticism, we can easily recognize fake media messages. In addition, mindset of the audience is further developed, inquiring and understanding psychoanalytically. This critical approach enables the audience for the growth of thinking pattern. Psychoanalytic criticism emphasizes emotional influences that are created by media content. It inquires how the media create thoughts and messages, paving the way for the receiver's mental stress. Commercial advertisements that are repeated may have a tendency to create mental influences that ought to understand and ought to be understood. Okay, I hope you understood.
Motivation, fourth one.
Fourth one,
Sir.
attraction.
The TV channel announced in advance that it will offer cash prizes to viewers watching a teledrama they are broadcasting. The communication purpose of this message is correct. Motivation, no attraction. 31.
Fourth one, sir.
Choose sentence that do not match the term communication. Communication begins with the emergence of language. Wrong. Before emergence of language also, there was communication. What was that communication? Before language?
Symbols, non-verbal communication.
Yeah, symbols. What type of communication?
Non-verbal.
Correct. Non-verbal communication. 32. The following are some of the possibilities for instruction. The father explains to his daughter how to behave in an interview. Instruction or not? Mate?
First one.
Yeah, that is instruction. He tells her where the interview will take place and the route. Instruction. Tells what documents to be taken to interview. Instruction. The interview board check qualifications. That is not instruction.
First one.
Yeah.
ABC.
She checks after the interview whether she received the certificates and documents. Yeah, first one is correct. A, B, C. Shamil, answer this question. 33.
Harold as well.
Pioneer in the establishment of communications institute, such as mass communication research institutes. That is Wilbur Schramm, right? Wilbur Schramm wants that to institutionalize communication studies.
Wilbur.
Answer number 5. Wilbur Schramm.
6, 5.
Now 34.
Sir, we missed 32.
32 we did, I think. Yeah, 32 we did. Number 1. Now 34.
2. No. 3.
Correct. Election meetings, lectures, and various celebrations belong to public communication because they are done at public places such as grounds, playgrounds. 35.
2.
2. No?
Fifth one.
Uh,
Oh, fourth one.
yes. Usually there are two noises. Media noise and semantic noise. Right? So a poster pasted on a tree made it impossible to read in the sunshine. Sunshine is environmental noise. Environmental noise belongs to media noise. Right? There isn't a thing called visual noise.
The answer number is
36. Aflal, give me the answer for 36.
Okay, sir.
Fifth one.
Fifth one, we'll see.
Correct, no, sir.
What doesn't belong to external state? That's that thing this we discussed, no? Kalam, we discussed this thing, right?
no, sir. We discuss it. Aflal.
No, we sir.
Okay. Public relations has some instances. There are several types of public relations. One type is state public relations. State public relations has two parts: internal state public relations and external state public relations. So, China appoints a new ambassador to Sri Lanka. Internal or external?
External.
That is external state public relations. Grant a loan from the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Grant a loan to Sri Lanka. Internal or external?
External.
External state public relations. President visit India.
External.
External.
External state public relations. Attending the United Nations conference. President attend the
Internal.
United Nations conference.
External.
External public relations. Island-wide program to encourage new inventors.
Internal.
Internal.
Internal state public relations. Now question number 37. If you type any of these words, now here there is a word called coinciding. If you type this coinciding in your search bar in your WhatsApp group, or if you type this 37 in your WhatsApp group search bar, you can find these questions, right? The human communication process begins with coinciding with the emergence of civilization. Human communication. Wrong. From the day, Master, what was your answer? Master? From the day man began to live on earth. That's the answer. Second one. After the emergence of human societies. Wrong. Dating from about the agricultural era. Wrong. After the industrial revolution. Wrong. Okay. Next one. 38. After all, there's a noise in your mic. After all, message me the answer. Question number 38.
Okay, sir.
Third one. Third one.
Third one. Third one. මේ පෙර පියාර වගේ කරනවා ගෙදර මේ පොඩ්ඩක් සද්දවද තියෙනවා. Choose the false statement. Human community, that no, 39. Humans are able to share information about more complex ideas and concepts from internet technology with the use of mobile phone. After what was your answer?
Third one.
Mayan,
Third
the
one.
third one. I only said.
You are third one. Through the
After
creation of language in signs and symbols. Yes, Mashin's idea is correct. Number 3. Through the creation of language. Before creating a language, there was non-verbal communication. So human can't share complex ideas. After creating the language, human could share a complex idea. Number 40. Can you see it? Study of the reconstruction of gender, race. Did we discuss this?
fifth one.
Okay. Study of the fifth one.
We didn't
Promote
study this.
social things. Correct. Promote social things.
Third one, sir.
Sir, did you study this?
Sir, we
We
didn't
did
study
this.
no, sir.
What?
No, sir. We didn't study gender. We didn't study this.
It's okay, Bharat. All the things aren't in the theory.
Answer is
Right?
correct,
Media
no,
is,
sir.
the answer is correct. Number 5 is correct. That's why I told you I have sent you all the PDF, Unit 1 to Unit 12. But all the things you can't find in theory, right? Some things we learn in revision also. Okay?
Okay.
41.
Sam Black.
Fourth one,
Sir,
sir.
washroom.
What?
Sam Black.
Washroom.
Sam Black. Okay, we'll see. Public relations is a process that motivates people to create awareness and goodwill about an individual or organization. Wait, I will show you that. Actually, these people, they just, this NIE, they just translated the Sinhala one.
Motivation, fourth one,
Fourth one.
sir.
Attraction.
The TV channel announced in advance that it will offer cash prizes to viewers watching a teledrama they are broadcasting. The communication purpose of this message is correct. Motivation or attraction. 31.
Fourth one.
Fourth one, sir.
Choose sentence that do not match the term communication. Communication begins with the emergence of language. Wrong. Before emergence of language also, there was communication. What was that communication? Before language?
Symbols, non-verbal communication.
Yeah, symbols. What type of communication?
Non-verbal.
Correct. Non-verbal communication. 32. The following are some of the possibilities for instruction. The father explains to his daughter how to behave in an interview. Instruction or not? Masay?
First one. First one.
Yeah, that is instruction. He tells her where the interview will take place and the route. Instruction. Tells what documents to be taken to interview. Instruction. The interview board check qualifications. That is not instruction.
First one.
Yeah.
ABC.
She checks after the interview whether she received the certificates and documents. Yeah, first one is correct. A, B, C. Shamil answer this question. 33.
Harold as well.
Pioneer in the establishment of communications institute, such as mass communication research institutes. Institutes. That is Wilbur Schramm, right? Wilbur Schramm wants that to institutionalize communication studies.
Wilbur.
Answer number 5. Wilbur Schramm.
6, 5, 5.
Now 34.
Sir, we missed 32.
30. 32 we did, I think. Yeah, 32 we did. Number 1. Now 34.
2. No. 3.
Correct. Election meetings, lectures, and various celebrations belong to public communication because they are done at public places such as grounds, playgrounds. 35.
2.
2. No?
Fifth one. Fourth one.
Yes. Usually there are 2 noises. Media noise and semantic noise. Right? So a poster pasted on a tree made it impossible to read in the sunshine. Sunshine is environmental noise. Environmental noise belongs to media noise. Right? There isn't a thing called visual noise.
The answer number is
36. Aflal, give me the answer for 36.
Okay, sir.
Fifth one.
Fifth one. We'll see.
Correct, no, sir.
What doesn't belong to external state? That's that thing we discussed, no? Kalam, we discussed this thing, right?
no, sir. We discuss it. Aflal.
No, we sir.
Okay. Public relations has some instances. There are several types of public relations. One type is state public relations. State public relations has 2 parts. Internal state public relations and a new collegiate dictionary. Now question number 44. Give the answer. what is least likely to happen when communicating through mass media? Least likely. That means not often. Kalam, can you see the screen?
Third
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Using professional communicators. That is correct in mass media. The use of technology. Correct. Mass media. Shamil, you said third one, no?
Yes.
Third one, yeah, that's the answer. That is the wrong answer.
Bipartisan means
Bipartisan means
Bipartisan, yeah.
two-way. Two-way. There is no two-way in mass media. Sometimes there is no feedback. Sometimes the feedback is delayed. Therefore, mass media is not two-way. That is wrong. Spreading messages commonly. Correct. If you watch Sirasa TV at 7, there is news. Everyone watch news on Sirasa TV at 7. There isn't anything else. Message is common. Hierarchical organizational pattern. That thing you can understand. Media owner, media managers, editors, news writers, news readers. 45, give me the answer. Easy one.
Sir, fourth one, 45.
Okay.
Sir,
I show that. Yeah.
43rd one answer.
මේ කලක් ඉන්නේ. වඩේ එකක්.
China and Germany.
Huh?
China and Germany, I think.
43, number 5. Okay.
That's
China and Germany, correct.
China and Germany.
46,
Because China-
give me the answer.
Fourth one,
Yeah.
sir, fourth one.
46.
46 answer. It is meant to give
fifth one.
fifth one. No. Not the fifth one.
Colorful communication.
Colorful communication කියලා එකක් අහලා තියෙනවද?
So, ඒ වගේ එකක් නෑනේ colourful.
First one, sir. No, non-verbal.
Non-verbal.
Number 2, non-verbal communication.
So then fifth verbal means with the words, no?
Yeah. Color කියන්නේ verb එකක් නෙමෙයිනේ. Color නේ. Colors කියන්නේ non-verbal communication. Understood? 47.
Belongs to performance elements.
Correct. Costumes, lighting, music, makeup, etc. on stage drama belongs to performance elements. 48.
Fifth one, sir. 48, fifth one. The media
Correct.
is distorted by the noise.
Correct. Gatekeeping process you can understand. Right? Everyone is a gatekeeper in a media organization. News writer decide, I will write this news like this. Gatekeeper. Then he hand over that news to the editor. Editor cut down unnecessary things. Gatekeeping. Sometimes the media owner cut down unnecessary things. Gatekeeping. So there are a lot of gatekeepers in a media institution. The media is under control. That is not necessary, not relevant. Media amplification. I have discussed this several times. Somebody tell me what is media amplification? Nowadays this Penny incident. පැණියක් හදලා තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. All the media. Yes. all the media discuss about this panel. Television, newspaper, radio, social media, everywhere they discuss about this panel, right? So that nowadays media amplification is given to panel. Amplification means more concentration more than the other news, right? Giving more concentration to one news, highlighting one news. That is called media amplification. මේවා මම කියලා තියෙනවා කලින් දැන් මතක නැත්නම් ලියා ගන්නවා. Influenced by media. Not relevant. The media is distorted by the noise. There are some technical words in media. You have to know the meaning. What is the meaning of distorting? Sajid?
Introduction.
Distorting. Changing.
Yeah, disturb. Changing.
Changing, right? Distorting means changing completely. Write down these things. Distorting means changing completely. Noise. Media is distorted by the noise. That means disturbing also, right? Okay. 49.
Creationism. Creation. Second one.
More answers?
Third one.
Second one.
Third one, sir, third one.
Answer number 5. Consumerism. The emergence of popular culture. Popular culture, I tell these things very slowly so you can understand them very well, right? Write down these things somewhere. Sometimes I may send the video, sometimes I may not send the video. Therefore, write down these things. Mass media create popular culture, right? This Iraj was there. Iraj was very popular when we were
Mahinta.
when we were young people. Iraj was very popular. Nowadays he has become someone else, right? Some creature. BNS, Bhati and Santosh are popular. This
Jayashri.
yeah, give me a second.
Alarm.
Yes, upload.
Notes.
Which notes?
Media.
Revision notes.
Theory.
Theory, which one?
අඩෝ ශාමි ඉන්ස්ටාග්‍රෑම් එකේ නේ.
Other.
ඔබ
Yes,
ඉන්ස්ටාග්‍රෑම් එකේ ඉන්නේ.
Oh, දැක්කා උන්නවා.
Okay. Those people are popular. They belong to popular.
Sir, Shamil also is popular in Instagram.
Okay.
Popular culture.
So this popular culture is created by mass media, and popular culture creates something else, that is consumerism. I will explain that. There are only 4 needs. We need only 4 needs, right? South මේ කීයද වෙලාව දැන් විනාඩි 40කට පස්සේ එන්නේ. කොබන තව කවුද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ? Aflal, Ahmad, Riham, are you there?
Yeah, sir.
Bread, pizza are wants. Needs are limited, wants are unlimited. Right? Unlimited wants belongs to consumerism. If you have unlimited wants, you have consumerism. I hope you can understand that, right? So consumerism emerges because of popular culture. Sangakkara used to sell Hutch SIMs, right? Because he's popular culture. Then he said, Mama Airtel වලට මාරු වුණා. Have you seen that advertisement? right? Then she started selling Airtel SIM, popular culture. We need only one SIM, right? But we try several SIMs. Some months, some weeks we use Hutch, then we use Mobitel, then we use Dialog, right? SIM is a need. Hutch, Dialog, Etisalat, etc. are wants. So you better understand the difference between need and want. Right? Those things belong to consumerism. කවුරුහරි මම නම නොකියපු කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම් අත උසලා කියන්න ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නෝ කියලා. නැත්නම් මම මේකේ රෙජිස්ටර් එකේ මාක් කරන්න ඕන.
කරේ නෑ මේ අපි දැන් කරන ගමන්.
Third one.
51.
Third one.
What is the main creative challenge of radio? Creative communication we are learning. We learned that thing. Unit
Training of
7.
Artist on pronunciation as per the requirement.
Who told that? Shamil.
Yes, yes.
Correct. No.
Second one.
Second one is correct. Okay. Identification. Yeah, I will describe them. Identification of subscribers. You have to identify what kind of subscribers we have, what kind of receivers or listeners we have. Then you have to use language to capture the mind of the subscriber. That is the most creative challenge of radio. Number 3, training of artist on pronunciation as per the requirement of the programs. That is also correct, but the most correct answer is number 2. Now 52. When we meet our friends in a funeral context, we talk to them in a happy mood, right? So communication isn't always contextual. The most suitable answer is communication is symbolic. Number 2. Everyone tell me the answer. Number 2. Shard, tell me the answer for number 2. A writer thought of writing. Thought means the past tense of think. If you think, what is that communication? What type of communication? Who made? Akil?
Intrapersonal.
Writer thought of writing a feature article to a newspaper. Fifth one. Intrapersonal communication. A writer thought of writing a feature article to a newspaper by recreating his or her personal experience. Did he write or did he think?
Think, no, sir.
He thought. He thought means intrapersonal communication. See, you know this syllabus. You have the PDF. You may have written down those theory notes, but it's very difficult to answer these questions. When it comes to questions, you must have a practice. That's why I always send you these questions. Nana, intra කියන්නේ තමන් හිතනවා. Interpersonal කියන්නේ වෙන කෙනෙක්. තේරෙනවද? Oh. Interpersonal means with another person. Intrapersonal means thinking, right? So you may understand that these questions are very difficult. That's why I told you earlier, last week, you must answer at least 2000 MCQ questions. Effect, number 4. Right, you answer. Shannon and Weaver, wait, I will show you that. Shannon and Weaver model. American mathematicians who were Claude Shannon and Warren Weaver. Listen to this carefully. I explain these things again and again, so you will remember them and understand them very well, right? When I'm describing these things, listen to me carefully. American mathematicians who were Claude Shannon and Warren Weaver presented this mathematical model of communication in 1949, focusing on the technical process of communication in where the effect of man and machinery on the communication process is explained. Information source, message, transmitter, signal, received signal, noise source, receiver, message, destination. There are some key features in this model of communication. They are those things I discussed. The information source converts through a technical process the voice signals into electronic signals. Here the message is converted into broadcastable signals and is presented to the receiver. The message that consists of signs and symbols while traveling through media encounters a variety of noise. They can be semantic noise and channel noise. The special features of this model of communication are: this is a linear model of communication. That means one way, right? The sender to the receiver, not the receiver to the sender. For the first time, noise is introduced as a barrier that affects the communication process. Feedback is not mentioned. If feedback is there, that is two-way communication or nonlinear communication. The activities of transmission and reception are elaborated. Transmission means changing human voice into signals inside the mic. Again, changing signals into human voice from your radio, from your television, or from your device. That is transmission. Reception means receiving. When I send you my voice through the mic, it is transmitted into signals. Then it is gone into your device. Then that device transmit that signal into my voice. Then you can receive that. You can hear that. The communication process is perceived from a technological perspective. Then the answer is effect. Effect isn't there. 289. In order to develop knowledge-based society, a historical role was played by the... Aman, tell me the answer.
So first one.
When I tell the word knowledge, what picture goes into your mind first of all? Newspaper, book, magazine, leaflet, notice. Actually, answer is book, right? Newspaper also gives us knowledge, but more often it gives news, advertisements, and features. So the most suitable answer is book. This is some kind of a practical question. This question came for the 2020 paper last month. This paper was there. This question was in that paper, right? So they ask questions like that in media. Practical questions. You don't find that answer in the syllabus. That's why I told you have to answer at least 2000 MCQ questions before your A-level exam. Then only you will get the practice of answering these questions. In human society, the greatest social service rendered by communication is...
Sir, fifth one.
Number 5, okay. Any other answer? Making its ideas common. One function of communication is making your ideas common. Now I have some ideas in my mind. Inside, when I meet you, I tell you my ideas. So I am making my ideas common. Providing entertainment. That is also another thing. Everywhere we don't provide entertainment. There are some tuition classes, they only provide entertainment. Students pay a lot of money. I think for revision class they charge 1,500 at least. Theory class another 1,500. Altogether you have to pay at least 3,000 per month. For, I told you that, theory class 1 year, 12 months. Theory class 2 years. Revision class 1 year. So you learn these things in those tuition classes after paying a lot of money. And after you have to go those classes, bus fares and all. You will give some importance to these lessons if I charge you some money. That's the human nature. In those classes, they don't discuss so much questions and answers. Most of the time, they give time for entertainment. So providing entertainment is one function of communication. Next one, creating discipline. I want to create your discipline. Join the class on time. Write down your notes and send me photos. Oh, that's how you can develop your discipline. I want to develop your discipline through communication. So developing discipline is also a function of communication. But the most important function is communication is building up relationships, interrelationships.
Second one.
Second one, okay. Newspaper use of language should be traditional. Traditional means, you know this traditional Sinhala language. ඔබ යන්නේ කොහිද? ඒ වගේ දේවල් traditional language. Complex language. Complex means very difficult to understand. You can't use traditional or complex language in newspaper.
Simple.
Descriptive language, that is also okay, but in news should be short and sweet. You remember these things? These things will be important until you do your degree. Understand the language in A-level subjects. People who have done only A-level exam can't understand the language used in degrees and other higher diplomas. So those things are advanced or sophisticated language. You must not use a sophisticated language. Descriptive means sometimes you can't use descriptive language in news. In news, you have to answer 5 questions. Who, what, when, where, why. Who, what, when, where, why. Who did this thing? What did he do? When did he do? Where did he do that? Why did he do that? Those 5 questions. If you write a news for television, for radio, or for newspaper, you have to answer those 5 questions. Other than, if you add more information than that, those information will be cut down by the editor of the newspaper because they need more space for advertisements. So you must not use a descriptive language in news. The answer is number 3. Newspaper language should be simple.
The fourth one, present rural information.
Present rural information. Okay, we will discuss.
Fourth one,
Folklore is important as a form of communication because it is a method of interpersonal communication. Folklore means this folk drama, telling folk tales, etc. There happens interpersonal communication or group communication.
Group communication.
Aman, folk drama means group communication. So this answer is wrong. Number 2 is a method of speech communication. Speech communication means oral communication. That is also correct. They are asking why is it important. Number 4, it presents rural information. Rural information means village information. That is also correct. Presents a local model of communication. That's also correct some far. But the most important thing is folklore can be used as a creative source to create advertisements, to create dramas. Yesterday I sent you those Nurti Drama and Nadagam drama songs. So those Singhabahu drama is a stage drama which was created by Professor Idrivira Sarachandra. In that Singhabahu drama, they use this techniques and songs of Nadagam drama. So Nadagam drama is a folklore. Nadagam drama belongs to folklore. Stage drama belongs to creative communication. To create that Singhabahu stage drama, Sarachandra used folklore. There you can understand the most important thing of folklore is it can be used as a creative source. Okay.
So second one.
Following the choreographic song telecasted on television, Kamal was clapping and dancing in his room alone. Demonstrated here is a process of decoding. Decoding is a wrong answer. When I see these notes on this question paper, I explain that note to you. That is encoding. Then you understand that note and write down some important things on a book as short notes. That is that is decoding, right? Choreographic song means a song which makes you dance. When you listen to some kind of song, you can say a pop song or something. Okay. Number 3, communication. Any communication, yeah, communication also happens there, but not the correct answer. There is no feedback. The most suitable answer is Perceiving. Perceiving means recognize, identify, or understand by means of the senses. How you understand that song using your senses. Sometimes we don't understand some songs. There are some Korean songs, we don't understand the language, but when we hear that, hearing is also a sense, right? When we hear that, we dance. So that is some kind of perceiving. Aman, give me the answer for this.
The third one.
At the very moment, the teacher turned the pages of the textbook after coming to the class. The students looked at each other because they heard the sound of a siren of vehicle. Looking at each other is not intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication means thinking. This is not informal communication. Informal communication means rumors, gossips, etc. Informal communication. Mechanical noise. If there is problem in my mic, if there is problem in your speaker, that is mechanical noise. So this is not mechanical noise. Noise means disturbance. Who made what is noise?
Disturbance.
Disturbance. There wasn't any disturbance in this classroom. Teacher didn't start the lesson. When I am teaching, if you hear some kind of a sound, that is a noise. But this at the very moment came to the classroom and turned on the pages, that you heard that sound. So that is not a noise. Okay? That is non-verbal communication. Students looked at each other. If they spoke, that is verbal communication. But they did not speak. They just looked at each other. That is non-verbal communication. Rafshan, give me the answer.
Non-verbal answer, sir.
What?
Non-verbal answer. Sir, non-verbal answer.
Non-verbal, yes, non-verbal communication. Look at each other. Don't do that. I'm telling everyone, don't do that mistake. Asking the answer, just asking the answer without trying to answer the question. That is okay in essay type questions.
I don't know, sir.
Essay type questions, I can say, when I send you essay type questions, you just copyright that. Then we discuss that. Then you study that and read the answer without looking at the book. That's how you can remember these essay type questions. Political science, IC, media, any subject. Essay type questions, first of all, you must copyright. You must ask from a teacher and copyright that. Then you study that, write it alone. But these MCQ questions, don't do that. Don't look at the answer at the beginning. Finish our classes today. I won't send any more questions because I have sent enough questions. Go to the very beginning of the WhatsApp messages and give me the answers for these questions. At least the questions I sent yesterday. Yesterday I sent more than 50 questions, MCQ questions. It's the way of practicing this. What is the option that does not include the fundamental elements of the process of communication? You can remember elements of communication. I taught you 11 elements of communication. Right? Can you remember?
Yeah, this feedback. Sir. Sender, receiver.
Communication, encoding,
Encoding, yes.
Decoding.
message,
Decoding,
feedback, decoding, noise, receiver.
yes. So here, among these 5 answers, there is a wrong answer. A wrong answer which does not belong to elements of communication.
Third one.
Third one. What answer?
The third one, sir.
Acting.
Acting.
Yes. That's how you find answers. Don't always wait for me to answer. Read this and try to answer. Media, that should be medium, right? Medium, decoder, context, effect, communicator, decoder, effect, noise, receiver, feedback, channel, encoder, field of experience, noise, receiver, encoder, feedback, source, channel. These things are elements of communication. Acting or performing means forms of communication. Okay? Forms of communication.
The fourth one.
Fourth one. A documentary film produced in China based on the information on corona pandemic was also screened in corona affected areas in Sri Lanka too. This is very important because information on corona is first reported from China. Wrong. That means it doesn't have to do anything with communication. Visual media is more powerful. That is also wrong. It is an activity of group communication, not relevant. Number 5, it builds intercultural bonds, not relevant. It gives information about a domain of similar experience. China also has corona. Whole world has corona. Similar experience. Tell me the answer for this.
Sir, first one.
Kamal instructed. Instructing means providing education. Correct. Instructed his sister on the creation of a graphic picture on a computer and explain how color should be used for the purpose. The role of communication demonstrated here is providing education. Okay, we will stop at 297 because I want to discuss an essay type question. We will discuss other questions tomorrow. Everyone, don't forget to give me the answer in the group.
The WhatsApp.
In the WhatsApp group, yes.
Questions ne?
Write 4 kinds of radio programs and explain. Write 4 kinds of radio programs and explain. 1 is radio discussion. Number 2, radio news. Number 3, radio magazines. Number 4, radio drama. Now I will describe radio discussion. Radio discussion is a radio format containing discussion about topical issues and consisting entirely or almost entirely of original spoken word content rather than outside music, right? In radio discussion, they use more and more dialogues. They talk to each other. Most shows are regularly hosted by a single individual. Usually radio discussions, there is a single individual, single announcer. Sometimes there are 2 announcers and often feature interviews with a number of different guests. That announcer invite different guests every day. Talk radio or radio discussion typically includes an element of listener participation, usually by broadcasting live conversations between the host and listeners who call in, usually via telephone, to the show. That means listeners also can join the conversation by calling and discussing with the guest and the announcer. Listener contributions are usually screened by a show's producers in order to maximize audience interest, and in the case of commercial talk radio, to attract advertisers. That means they do some kind of research about how many listeners are listening to us. They have Facebook fan pages, right? Sirasa TV, the Hasakmal program, morning 10 to 12. That is a talk show, right? They let the listeners call them, so male announcer and female announcer. They tell the listeners call them and so they are asked for songs, right? Request for songs. So they can count these numbers. How many people called us? How many people liked us on Facebook fan page? How many people
ඔව් සර් ඒක කරලා
subscribed
මොනවද
our
ලැබෙන්නේ සර්?
brother?
මොනවද ලැබෙන්නේ සර්? එහෙම කෝල් කරලා අපි සින්දු අහලා පස්සේ.
මොකුත් නෑ නිකන් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ voice එක නිකන් රේඩියෝ එක ඇහෙනවා එච්චරයි.
ටයිම් පාස්.
How many people subscribed our YouTube channel, our Sirasa Radio YouTube channel? So by counting these numbers, they can show that numbers to advertisers. Advertisers will advertise more and more on their radio channel. Have you heard this radio channel Isira FM? Have you heard that? Any of you? Yeah. So only few of you have heard Isira FM radio channel. That means Isira FM have less receivers. But everyone knows Sirasa FM, Hiru FM, etc. Because
Yes, sir.
they have more receivers. If they have more receivers, if you want to advertise your advertisement on Sirasa FM, you have to pay more money than you advertise in Isira FM. I will tell another example from newspapers. This Sunday Lankadeep newspaper. right? It has usually they say that 40 lakhs copies are sold of Sunday Lankadeepa newspaper, right? 40 lakhs copies are sold of Sunday Lankadeepa newspaper. Silumina doesn't have that much of buyers, about 20 lakhs or something, right? About 20 lakhs people buy Silumina, about 40 lakhs people buy Sunday Lankadeepa. So if you publish your advertisement, your classified advertisement on Sunday Lankadeepa, you have to pay 1,500 for 15 words. If you publish the same advertisement on Silumina, you have to pay about 1,200 for 15 words. Why do Silumina charge less amount of money for advertisements? Because they have less receivers, less readers, right? So that's why
So
radio
they are not
channels,
reputed.
yeah, that's why radio channels, television channels, newspaper agencies want to increase their subscribers, their receivers more and more. Then they can charge more money for advertisements. Generally, the shows are organized into segments, each separated by a pause for advertisements. However, in public or non-commercial radio, music is sometimes played in place of commercials to separate the program segment. Started at 10 a.m. They broadcast advertisement, right? That is one segment. Second segment starts after 2 minutes. Then that second segment also ends. Then they broadcast sometimes song, sometimes advertisements, right? A 2-hour radio program, a 2-hour radio discussion has segments, segment 1, segment 2, etc. In between those segments, they broadcast advertisements. But some public radio services, Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, that is a public radio service, right? That means it belongs to the government. They don't expect that much of profit. That is a radio service, Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation. And British Broadcasting Corporation, that is also a public service, BBC. They usually don't broadcast advertisements. Not always. Sometimes, usually, they don't broadcast advertisements in between segments. They broadcast songs.